Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to fix the common Google Chrome error HTTP2 underscore protocol underscore error that the site cannot be reached. It might be temporarily down or it may have moved permanently to a new web address. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. First thing I recommend doing would be to make sure you are unable to access other websites as well, such as google.com and maybe some other popular websites. Make sure it's not just an issue with that particular website, in which case there's nothing you can do on your end to resolve that problem. So with that said, something we can try in the Google Chrome web browser, you can try refreshing the web page, as well as tapping the Control and the F5 key on your keyboard at the same time to do a hard refresh. That's one thing you can attempt. Something else I'd recommend looking at would be your date and time settings down in your system tray. Make sure your date and time is correct here. If it's not, you may need to right click on it and select adjust date and time. You'd want to scroll down and then underneath sync now, you want to go ahead and sync your time, and hopefully then that would have resolved the problem. You also take a look into extensions as well that might be installed on the web browser by selecting the three-dotted icon up in the top right corner of the browser, and then selecting extensions and then manage extensions. If you notice that there are a lot of extensions in here, you can just try disabling or toggling them to turn them off, and then relaunch the web browser and see if that could have potentially been the source of the issue. So pretty straightforward process here, guys. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.